So hi everyone, welcome to CloudTrip. So this is a new channel that you are creating. This is a technical channel, and I am going to take you to a cloud trip. So going to explain you the cloud technologies, the cloud vendors, AWS, Azure, GCP. Try to bring cloud closer to you. So who I am Amitabhadaz. I am a software developer, and I'm having around 2 years of experience working with cloud. I am a Azure solution architect expert, so that's a feat that I've achieved few months ago, and I'm also a AWS certified solution architect. And I'm also interested in new cloud technologies like Terraform. I previously worked as Java developer for 6 months, and then I moved on to the cloud. So I am also a learner like you guys, trying to learn new technologies. And yeah, that's who I am. And you can check me out on the LinkedIn, send me connections. So what you're going to do in this series, so we are going to learn about different cloud technologies. As I've just mentioned, we are going to know different cloud vendors, we are going to explore different cloud vendors, AWS, GCP, Azure, get to learn those, get our hands dirty, because I seriously don't like PPTs and stuff. So try to make your hands dirty and try to learn new stuff the way you understand. And also the target audience, I'll be targeting audience like for the beginners who are trying to get in the cloud, who are trying, the college students and the professional ones who are trying to understand cloud, how the cloud works, all the different services in the cloud. And also the experienced guys, because you need to upgrade yourself every day. The new technologies are coming and you need to upgrade yourself every day. And also for the certification courses, because I'll be explaining you and also trying to give you trying to explain you this, how the certification works and how you should move forward to excel your career and all that. So because certification is the one thing that you must have right now. So yeah, so let's get started, let's get our hands dirty, let's start our new journey that we are having. So we're starting right now.